Govee Outdoor Lights Pro. 200 feet of blazing colors and smart control. Let your home steal the show. Turn heads all year long. Why settle for ordinary when your home can be extraordinary? Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro transforms your space with 200 feet of RGBIC brilliance. With 16 million colors and 75 scene modes, every event, be it Christmas, Halloween, or a random Tuesday, becomes a reason to celebrate. These lights aren't just festive, they're year-round showstoppers. From cool whites to warm hues, your Eaves will radiate modern elegance like never before. Lights that think smarter. Forget fiddling with switches. Control your ambiance with the Govee Home App or simple voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, or Matter. Want red for romance or green for game day? Just ask. Each light is individually customizable, letting you craft the perfect vibe in seconds. With cuttable and extendable designs, your lighting dreams have no limits. Govee lights don't just glow, they obey. Welcome to the future of effortless brilliance. Built to withstand Mother Nature. Come rain, sleet, or scorching heat, these IP67 waterproof lights keep shining. Engineered with anti-UV material, they laugh in the face of harsh weather and promise a staggering 50,000 hours of dazzling performance. Whether it's -4 or 140 degrees Fahrenheit outside, these lights deliver reliable, year-round beauty. Designed to be as tough as they are breathtaking, Govee lights are an investment in durability and style that outlasts the competition. Fast setup, instant glow up. Why waste time wrestling with tangled wires or complex installs? With VHB glue and easy-to-use clips, you can have these lights up and shining in just 8 seconds per fixture. Splice and connect them effortlessly with waterproof joints for a seamless finish. Whether you're decking the halls or lighting up your backyard bash, the process is as smooth as the glow they produce. Govee proves that brilliance doesn't have to be complicated. Affordable, tested, and worth every penny. Tech-tested, wallet-friendly, and visually stunning. Govee Outdoor Lights Pro is everything your home needs. Perfect for daily use, holidays, and special occasions, they deliver premium features at a fraction of the cost. Compared to outdated string lights, Govee's superior quality, smart control, and vibrant colors make them the clear winner. Say goodbye to boring, basic bulbs, and hello to a home that truly shines. Illuminate your life, one stunning scene at a time.